Hi, my 4B friends. Happy Asynchronous Day. So I am sitting in the dark right now, not because I'm playing hide and seek, but because I want to talk about what we talked about yesterday. What's happening when the sun is shining on the earth? Now, this is a really giant earth, and this is a tiny sun. But if you want to kind of model for your family what's happening right now as we speak, whoa, you can get a ball and a flashlight. Or if you have another person there with you, you can have them stand still and be the sun by holding on to their flashlight and shining it on you while you spin around in a circle, either around them or you're spinning in front of them. Now, before I can show you that, let's remember there's two special R words that we talked about yesterday: rotation or rotating and revolution or revolving. Now, rotation means to spin in a circle. So if you look at me, I know it's a little dark in here, spinning in place like this basketball, woo, that's called rotating because it's spinning, but it's not moving around. Rotating is to go, revolution is to move around in a big circle, kind of like a hula hoop. You are staying still in rotating, but you're moving around when you're revolving. Now, who is staying still? Think about it. Is the sun staying still? The moon staying still? Or is the earth staying still? 3, 2, 1. Did you say the sun is staying still? Yes, the sun is staying still in our solar system. And the planets like Earth are moving around our sun. And when they move around the sun, it gives us seasons. But when we're spinning in place, it gives us daytime and nighttime. And that's because we're facing the sunlight to get that shining for our daytime. But when we're not facing it, it's dark where we are. And that's because we're just facing space. Sometimes there's some light coming from the moon if the sun shines on it. But mostly we're only getting light when we're facing the sun. And that's why we have day and nighttime, because we're rotating. Whereas revolving around the earth takes a whole year, and that's what gives us our seasons. Okay, so let's model it. You can either use a flashlight, or if your parents don't mind or you have an iPad, you can use your phone and use the flashlight setting there and be able to shine like that. Yeah, that's definitely a brighter shine that I have on my phone than on that flashlight. So what you're going to do is have the person who's being the earth move around your flashlight. Or you can have a ball and practice spinning the ball. Maybe not spinning on your finger like a basketball player. But the other person who's going to be the sun is going to stay still. And they're going to show you how when you point the light at the earth, it's really shiny. Look at that. It's so shiny on the basketball here. But on the other side, if you come with me here, you can actually see that we've made a shadow on our ball. Look, even on my face, there's a shadow. And that's showing you where there's daytime on one side of the earth and how the other side is nighttime. Whoop. Hello there, voice in the sky. No, that's just the announcers. So you can see here on this side, it's daytime, but on the other side of our basketball earth, it's nighttime. But as we spin, it's going to get either more light or it's going to go into the darkness. Here, I have a little white spot on my basketball. Let's pretend that's where we live. Hi, house. So we can face it towards the sun and it'll get all of its light on there. But as it starts to rotate, it kind of looks like the sun is setting because now the other side of the earth is getting the sunlight and we're all the way over here. See, I'll try and model it for you. Can you see it? You can barely see it because it's in the dark. The sun is still shining, but it's shining on the other half of the world. Meanwhile, we're all fast asleep, waiting for the sun to rise again. And the moon is going around us. It's revolving around our earth while we are rotating and revolving around our other parts of our solar system. Wow, that is crazy. Now, I'm not going to turn the lights off because it's kind of soothing over here. Maybe I'll start to fall asleep. But go ahead and try it, whether it's with a flashlight or whether it's the flashlight on a phone. And if it's a ball or a person being the earth, try and model it today and see if you can really notice how one side is getting sunlight, the other side is getting none, and the places on the halfway point, they're only getting a little bit of light, which is what we talked about as being the sunrise and the sunset. Cool. I have another video to show you today in our little science page, so check it out. Like yesterday, the science video is going to start a little further into the video. You don't have to go back to the beginning. I got rid of all the mumbo jumbo. So I hope you enjoy the video. In case it was a little hard to see from what I was showing you, this video is going to model it as well. Well, my friends, I will see you this afternoon. Keep thinking about all that science craziness that's happening outside in the world right now, and have a good day. Bye.